Is life insurance with living benefits worth it? Have you ever heard the term living benefits? Do you know how they work? And most importantly, is it really worth it to buy life insurance with living benefits? In this guide, we will outline what are living benefits, how can you use them, and what's their cost. Hi, my name is Gail Longenecker, and I've consulted hundreds of entrepreneurs, executives, and engineers in the area of life insurance. For the best life insurance advice, subscribe to my YouTube channel below and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. To many people, it's hard to see the value in life insurance since they never see the benefits of their own policy. That is, there's one and only one way that a life insurance policy actually pays out, and that is, well, when you die. It's called the death benefit. More recently, however, companies are offering life insurance policies with living benefits. Simply put, the living benefits of life insurance is the option for you to use your life insurance policy while you're still alive. Yep, you heard that right. Living benefits are the ability to fast forward your death benefit under certain circumstances. So what are those circumstances? How do you use your living benefits? Well, normally there's 3 situations or triggers that allow you to do this: a terminal, chronic, or critical diagnosis. Life insurance companies define a terminal illness as something that's expected to end your life usually within 12 months. Just imagine if you had a terminal diagnosis. You'd feel a whole lot better knowing you had a bucket of money to help pay for your medical bills, your nursing home costs, or even your regular bills. A chronic illness is an illness that prevents you from actually engaging in 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living, or ADLs for short. These 6 ADLs can be remembered by thinking about your normal day. You wake up and get out of bed. That's the first ADL, called transferring, and also applies to being able to sit down or rise from the dinner table or get in and out of a car. Next, you probably need to visit the restroom, and that's number 2, called toileting. Number 3 is bathing, which includes showering and shaving. ADL number 4 is dressing by yourself. And then number 5 is being able to eat. When we talk about eating, though, it's not preparing a meal, but just losing the ability to feed yourself. The last ADL, number 6, is maintaining your continence throughout the day, which is controlling your bladder and your bowel movements. In addition to the 6 activities of daily living, benefits can be triggered with losing cognitive abilities, such in the case of dementia. If you lose 2 out of 6 ADLs or have a cognitive loss, you can be paid living benefits off your policy. There's an interesting side note here about ADLs. We generally lose them in the opposite order that we learn them to do them as a baby. For example, one of the first ADLs we learned as a baby was to eat, and that's usually one of the last functions we lose when we are elderly. However, toileting is one of the last skills we learned as a baby and often is one of the first activities we lose as we age. Starting to feel convinced about the power of living benefits? Leave a comment in the section below and let me know, what kind of situation are you most concerned about? What would be your main reason to make that leap into purchasing a policy for yourself? I know purchasing life insurance can feel really intimidating, so I have many resources for you. For example, after this video, check out my episode, The Importance of Life Insurance, or click on the link below to become my client. So we talked about terminal and chronic situations. The other situation to accelerate your death benefit early in the event is a critical diagnosis such as cancer, stroke, or heart attack. As you can guess, more and more people are surviving cancer, stroke, and heart attacks these days. Did you know that there's almost 800,000 heart attacks in the US per year? This is about 1 heart attack about every 40 seconds. The numbers are alarming. 1 in every 4 deaths in the US is due to a form of heart disease. And luckily, not every heart attack or every heart condition is a death sentence. With medical advancements, people are able to survive and go on with their lives. What happens if you survive a heart attack, though? If you're lucky, your health insurance would cover the cost of the treatment, the procedure, the hospital stay, and the medications. But you might not be able to maintain your family's standard of living. If you're financially impacted by a serious episode like this, what would you do? This is where having life insurance with living benefits comes in very handy. Oh, I promised that I'd talk about the cost of living benefits too. This is the most exciting part. The cost to have living benefits in your life insurance policy doesn't cost anything at all. It's an option that the life insurance company offers at no charge. You also need to know that, for example, if you have a $2 million life insurance policy and you accelerate $500,000 as living benefits, the death benefit to your heirs would be the net, or 1.5. So if you'd like to get a life insurance policy to sign with all these great living benefits offered for free, then click on the link below to become my client. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. To stay in the know about all that I teach, subscribe to my channel below, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and remember, I'm in your corner helping you to build wealth your way.